Yeah, so I just loosened this. I use these smaller screwdrivers. I'm not sure, it says to use a number one, but I couldn't see which of these is a number one, but it's definitely not one of those bigger head screwdrivers. And I loosened it, basically initially cracked it, and now it's easy to open. And I take the screw, rather big screw I see, and I put it aside here, and I get the cover off. And that's the actual slot in there. Put the cover aside here, and I see all the inscriptions of the different sizes, and there's a screw, another screw I have to remove. There's a spacer beneath the screw which I would need to put in the right slot, and there down there is the actual connector where the SSD would plug in, and that's the entire slot there. So in my particular case, is silicon power PCIe Gen4 4 terabyte M.2 one. It's I just first check to see what size it is. So it goes in like this and plug in, and probably this is the size. So it's this the size, which is, it's a size 80, this one over here. Okay, so let me just get this other screw out. And this is tight also, just like the other screw, so I'll continue making the video after I loosen the screw.